Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today's topic is going to be on images that makes customer purchase. As you know, images are the single most factor that customer sees, and by looking at an image, customer may decide to buy a product from yours or whether from your competitors, guys. So you have to create an image that stands out from your competitors and will get you sales, guys. So I will be showing you how you can make those images. Firstly, as we come to the listing creation process, here in images tab, as you can see, Amazon gives you around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 space for uploading your image, and you have to make best use of this, guys. You can fill all this tab with your images, but Amazon only shows around 6 to 7 of your product images on your listing page on Amazon. So firstly, I will show you example of a good product image. As you can see, this guy has good product images, as they have this first image. And one thing you have to remember, guys, is your first image should not have any logo on it, like any logo in here or any logo in here. This has to be plain white in plain white background, and this has to be clear, guys. You can add something like this, in your first image, guys. So your first image has to be as clear as possible, and you can add infographics in your second, third, fourth, fifth images, guys. As you can see, they have a good infographic, and they are showing their product function, they are showing in uses and the area they can cover, and it's they are showing it's pet safe and eco-friendly, and they have video of their product, guys. You can add a video only if you have applied with the brand registry. Neither you can add video on your product, guys. And this is an example of a good product listing and their images, guys. Well, as you can see here, this guy has got only one image, not one, sorry, it's this guy got only 3 product images, but this is not the type of image that you want to put in your Amazon listing, guys. This won't get you sales, as this guy isn't taking advantage of the tabs that Amazon gives you, around 6 to around 10 tabs for your product image. As you can see, this guy is not using as much as to his limit, and this is an example of a bad product images, guys. As you can see, his ratings are also low, reviews ratings are also low, and his bullet points are not up to date. Whereas, as you can see here, it's this guy's rating is around 1809 ratings with 4.5 star reviews and as you can see, his listing is as good as possible, and I showed you example in my his bullet point are as good as possible, and I showed you previously in my bullet point video. So hope you guys got example what a good product image looks like and what a bad product image looks like. As you can see, guys, this was my first product that I lost my money in. You can see the images are good here, as you can see, this with this white background, and you can see clearly the product image. So guys, from where you can get product images, firstly I recommend you asking your supplier, guys, as they can provide you with good quality images. They have tons and tons of images for their product, and they can provide you with good images. Either some of them may give you their product images, or either they will charge you some fees to it, but you can request your supplier for product images, and they will surely provide you with product images, guys. As you can see, these are the images that my supplier had provided me in the past. As you can see, they provided me with good quality images. As you can see here also, their uses, and it's a good quality image, guys. They provided me with around 10 images, and I chose from it, and I put around 8 images in my product listing. The difference between new version and old version, they will have their infographics image also, and these are the images that my supplier has provided to me. This was the first option, guys, how you can get your image from this. This first option is from the supplier, guys. You can ask for them, or they will charge you some certain fees for this product images. Next, second method I will be showing you is from doing it by your own, guys. As you can see, you can go to Amazon, and you can search for product story box, and this Amazon Basics portable foldable photo studio comes up, and like this you can make product images of your own. This is the box, and you can create your own images by only by your iPhone or something. This box looks like this. As you can see, you can make product images by your own. This is the second option, guys. And if you choose this, you have to make your infographics by your own. And the third option I'm going to show you is you can go to Fiverr, guys. You can go to Fiverr and search for any photographer, and you have to send your product to them, and they will do a good photography for your products, guys, and create infographics for you too. And they will charge around above $50 or something. So you can choose from any one of this method that I showed you, guys. But as per my recommendation, if your supplier can provide you with the images, then you can go with it. So hope you guys got an idea how you can get your product images. So, and I will see you guys in my next video.